we will learn how to set payment methods with Woocommerce and how to add a bank account to Woocommerce in WordPress. First, we log into WordPress. Then we go to the Woocommerce section and click on the Settings option. Next, click on the Payments tab. Now, as you see in front of us, there's the Woocommerce payment method. Install this. After that, go to the Settings again and click on the Payments tab. First, check the Direct Transfer option, then install the Woocommerce payment method. Now attach your account.
Follow and subscribe to Optimax Agency for more technical and informative videos.